Jim Desmond. I'm the State Director for the Nature Conservancy in Oregon. For those not familiar, we're an international nonprofit that works on land conservation. We're based in Arlington, Virginia, but we have a presence in 39 countries, and we have an office in each of the 50 states of the United States. And our primary approach right now is how do we shift this narrative from one of fear-based conversation to one of opportunity, and in particular, how can natural systems and how those natural systems function become a part of the solution towards reducing carbon and reducing and reversing the impacts of climate change, particularly through natural infrastructure and how rivers, coastal areas, and our forests can be managed in ways that will positively impact the climate future. Well, certainly deforestation is a major issue, and the Nature Conservancy is working in certain places in the country, in particular in Mexico and Brazil, to protect forests from deforestation and trying to find ways to do that still create positive outcomes for local economies and it not become a situation of pitting local economies against climate, and instead finding collaborative solutions that can achieve climate goals while also furthering economic goals in some of those countries.